Hi, my name is Rose Maher, and I love Detroit. It's important to have a realtor that not only knows the area, but lives and breathes the city. I've been in Detroit for quite a few years, almost 7, and I absolutely love it. I know every great place to eat, everything that's coming into Detroit, the little holes in the walls, to the great rooftop bars and restaurants, down to the shows that come in, and our awesome sports teams. We are standing outside the old train station in Detroit that is now becoming Ford Motor Company's headquarters. This is a huge opportunity for the city because it's bringing in a ton of new jobs and a ton of new residents. Right now, we're seeing a lot of homeowners become landlords because it is much easier to rent your home out due to the fact that the new workers don't really know where they want to live in Detroit yet, so they're going to rent for their first year. This area used to be completely abandoned. It was homeless people. There was literally no grass. It was just mud, dirt, no sidewalks. And this just stood completely abandoned. And now we're in this gorgeous park that's part of the Ford Motor Company campus. And I mean, Roosevelt Park, who would have thought? It's transformed the city. Corktown used to be nothing, and now Corktown is becoming one of the most expensive places to stay. The City of Detroit's Park Committee is so fantastic. They have committed to 20 years of redeveloping our parks, bringing in nature walks, trees, and activities for the family, kids, and for the workers that need a break from the office outside. I used to come around here with my dad all the time, and we would drive this area specifically to look at the train station, and we used to dream and wonder what it would transform into and if it would ever be restored. And here we are today, years later, where the entire inside is completely restored. We have everything from the ballroom to a rooftop restaurant that'll be happening to gardens in the back. We are here at St. Anne's in Detroit, which is in Corktown Shores. As you can see, the building is absolutely beautiful. It's very old architecture, and it's being currently restored on the outside. So the little known fact about St. Anne's in Detroit is that this is the second oldest Catholic parish that is still active and running in the United States. The original church, which was then just a little tent and then turned into a log cabin, was in Hart Plaza. They then transferred the site here, built this beautiful church, and it's over 300 years old. This church has dominated not only the scenery in Corktown Shores, but it's dominated the neighborhood. Back in the day, this was actually founded by Irish immigrants that came from County Cork. Cool thing is that I am actually Irish and from County Cork. And I resonate with this area because it's a part of my history as well. In the early 1900s, the Germans started to move into the community. Before they created Hamtramck and Poletown, they settled in Corktown. Funny part about that is that I am also German. You have this cute little neighborhood that's influenced by St. Anne's Church, and it was predominantly blue-collared workers that were Catholic living in post-World War II homes. So you have these very unique homes that are different from Detroit's big brick homes. These homes are throughout Corktown Shores, and they go into Mexican Town, which is right next door. Also one of my favorite areas to eat. So if you're interested in selling your home, I think now is a great opportunity. A lot of investors are coming into the area, renovating homes or buying up properties to put in new developments. So if you're interested in selling your home, I would be more than happy to talk to you. I have extensive experience in Detroit's real estate market. I have sold, bought, and leased properties all over the downtown area. There's so many little pockets that people don't know about that I do. And I think I would be a great asset to help you bring value, whether you're buying or you're selling. I also know the melting pot of people that are coming in droves to Detroit. They're excited, they're young, they're starting a new life in Detroit, and I think that is going to be your advantage when you're looking to sell. If you would like to contact me and talk anything real estate or just to chat about the community, which I am totally open to, give me a call at 313-316-5563. And you can shoot me an email at maryrose, 2 words, at theloftwarehouse.com.